What type of salt is formed by the complete neutralization of an acid by a base? A normal salt is produced when all the replaceable hydrogen ions of an acid are completely replaced by metal ions or ammonium ions from a base. Examples include sodium chloride, NaCl, which does not contain ionizable H+ or OH groups. What term describes an acid that gives one replaceable hydrogen atom per molecule? A monobasic acid is an acid that ionizes in water to produce only one hydronium ion or replaceable hydrogen atom per molecule. Examples include hydrochloric acid, HCl, and nitric acid, HNO3, which are key topics in chemistry. What is the primary characteristic of an acid when dissolved in water? According to the Arrhenius theory, an acid is a substance that dissociates in water to release hydrogen ions, H+, which then associate with water molecules to form hydronium ions, H3O+. The concentration of these ions determines the acidity and the pH level of the resulting solution. What role does fuming nitric acid play in rocket propulsion? Fuming nitric acid serves as an oxidizer in rocket propulsion, providing the necessary oxygen to burn the fuel in the vacuum of space. It is a highly reactive substance that allows for spontaneous combustion when it comes into contact with certain fuels. Acting as a fuel is incorrect because the fuel is the substance being burned, not the source of oxygen. Cooling the combustion chamber is wrong because while some liquids are used for cooling, the primary role of this acid is chemical oxidation. Being a combustion product is incorrect because nitric acid is a reactant that is consumed during the launch. What is the purpose of acidifying the copper sulfate solution in electrolytic refining? Adding dilute sulfuric acid to the copper sulfate electrolyte increases the concentration of ions, which significantly improves the electrical conductivity of the solution. This ensures a faster and more efficient migration of copper ions from the impure anode to the pure cathode. What is a characteristic property of aqueous solutions of acids and bases regarding electricity? Acids and bases dissociate into ions when dissolved in water, which act as charge carriers to facilitate the flow of electric current. These solutions are known as electrolytes, a fundamental concept in electrochemistry. What property allows aqueous solutions of acids and bases to conduct electricity? Acids and bases dissociate into free-moving ions like H+ or OH when dissolved in water, which serve as charge carriers for electricity. This ionization process is the fundamental reason why aqueous solutions of these substances act as electrolytes. At what temperature does calcium carbonate react slowly with hydrochloric acid? At room temperature, the reaction between calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid occurs at a steady but relatively slow rate. This allows for a controlled release of carbon dioxide gas, which is ideal for laboratory observations. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.